It's not. I don't have Peggle. And it's still like Ludens or something. Hey, it's a guy. Excuse me. I hope we're doing good today. For the birthday wishes. At the burp. My cake, bro. Don't get my cake. He's gone. Excuse me, Ma. Wake up, kitten. How's a burp? How's a burp, chat? Right, that one, chat. Was that good? There's too many gross things. I might throw up. Yeah. How's a burp, chat? Woof! Excuse me. Skedaddle. Skedoodle. In the skin. Oopsie. We shall see. For sure. Okay, random. This one. Excuse-moi. Oh my goodness. Lysandra. Excuse me. The same shit all the time.
Okay, does it bother you guys that I'm burping today? Sorry?
Excuse me.